For a long time it has been my dream that I grow the vegetables and cook, but the dream is get even more better. That means literally from the ground, from the soil to the pan, that's how much fresh we can cook our food. Especially even in urban, we can do urban gardening, and my whole concept is I want to teach you how to grow vegetables, but it is a very quick short learning curve I went through, where some of the plants were not that good, but we learned how to grow the vegetables in an organic way, no pesticides used. This is a Nol Khol which is grown in our garden. Power Chef Pranav is going to pick one of these Nol Khol. Pluck one. Now look at this, how beautiful it is, isn't it? Huh? Pranav, isn't it fun learning how to grow these vegetables?
Yes.
And not only that, we are just entering the month of March and we have the broccolis. The plant is all nice and beautiful. Hopefully they will start sprouting very soon. This Nol Khol is nice, sweet, and you can just eat it with little bit salt and pepper. And they're so good. This tastes fantastic with keema. So we have some ground meat ready. So let's start cooking. We're going to put some oil in a pan, very hot pan. In this, we're going to add a little bit of jeera. Whole garam masala, they kind of get in between your teeth when you eat keema. So I'm not adding whole garam masala, but just cumin seeds and onion. Okay. And cook the onion till they are slightly colored. Okay. Also add some salt. When the onions are getting slightly colored, add ginger paste, and I love to add a lot of garlic. So our Power Chef Pranav has grown some garlic also here, and even the garlic chives taste so good. So let's put some garlic in dingchik. This is the new dingchik I've got. So just crush the garlic. We are growing a lot of onions also. And we got red onion, we're going to grow white onion, and a little bit of brown onion on the side will give the sweetness for the dish. Okay, because we're going to add the mint, everything. When we are not eating biryani, we will try and make things which will almost taste like biryani. So in this, we're going to add the mint. So even mint, when it is fried, the flavor gets even more better and it will last forever in the dish. In this, add turmeric, some coriander powder, add Nol Khol. Okay. Add some water. Just let it cook. We all love the aloo keema, and the Nol Khol keema is even more better than that. Now, once you saute this Nol Khol for a minute or so, let's spice it up even more. Some chili powder, some freshly ground green chili. In my Telugu videos I have shown these green chilies are not spicy at all. So add a lot of it, mince. This will give a very nice flavor. Just like the way capsicum, even better. So mix along with this. We're going to add some crushed pepper also later. In this, we're going to add the mincemeat, that is the keema. I asked Pranav why he put a cloth, and that too not so good looking one. He says the meat shop guy told him that when you cover the cloth,
the same old cloth.
With the same old cloth, the taste gets better. Actually, there are a lot of flies here, so we just covered it. And the mince meat, the keema, add to this. Thank you. And now we're going to let it cook. The more the meat fat, the more tastier this dish gets. And if you want to make it, you can also make it a little bit of gravish. But first, let's increase the flame and let it cook. Let it scramble. If you just leave it like this, it will become blocks. So instead, just keep cooking, and in between, just keep mixing. Now, look at this. Nice. And now you can even make it tastier by adding a little bit of tomato puree. Okay. If you want gravy, add 1 or 2 small tomatoes. That's it. If the keema is roughly ground, like the way here, I like it because you can actually taste some of the pieces. I'm going to add some salt And do not add any more moisture. If you want, you can put the lid and 1 or 2 whistles, switch it off. Then we're going to adjust the seasoning later. Look at this. It's cooked well and perfect. In this, pinch of garam masala powder, freshly cut coriander, and also some more ding chick. In this, add some black pepper, then go ding chick. So, wow, the aroma from the pepper. Now I'm going to transfer it into our keema. Nice. Perfect. Mix it. Some people like to cook till some of the fat comes out. If you want to do that, you can do that. I do it once in a while when I'm eating it with rasam or curd or even sambar. So typical South Indian, isn't it? So just another 1-2 minutes of cooking and nice and spicy. I just need to finish it off by adding a little bit of salt. That's it. The aroma is just amazing. So, undama bujje. So, here they sometimes laugh at me that I eat these green leaves. They really don't know what it is, but they think I'm crazy eating just the leaves. So, lot of lettuce I have grown here. And Amma, nee kuda vedta oka nimisham undu. Especially the mincemeat along with this lettuce leaf. Wow, it tastes just amazing. It's freshly cut lettuce. Now make it into a roll. Okay. Oh, that's it. Really hot keema in a lettuce. Inside is keema. You can even cool down the keema and eat it with fresh greens. It's amazing. Of course, we are all used to eating with rice, roti and all that. But once in a while, try it. And especially if you can grow lettuce at home, it will be amazing. And I'm going to teach you, I promise. And growing this lettuce is not a rocket science. Growing vegetables is not a rocket science. Just Pranav and I, on the YouTube event, we just saw some videos. We started experimenting. We failed a little bit. And just in another 1 month, we learned everything. And now, we enjoy freshly grown vegetables. From root to the pan and pan to the mouth. The beauty of cooking all this is to feed somebody who has never, eaten things like this. Bujji, dai kadra. Sudo, sushna. Igo, itla aakulu eskoni. Endi? Itla gatti. Igo, ippudu tinu. Tinu. Tamalapaku means palm leaf, like beetle leaf. So this is not that. Come on, try it. Endi? Etlunadi? Fresh ga aaku. Dantla idi manchiga. Etlunadi? Ippudu maalanti ollu endante Patnamlo undi people like us. What I am telling is, people like us who live in cities, we become fatsos. So for us, we enjoy these things. Patnamlo undi baga balustam kada memo. Maaku itlanti aakulu tinte jara vajan control lo untadi. Etlunadi? Karam manchiga unnada? Sorry. So Pranav, what? This is okay. Now roll your own
cigar.
Okay.
Sorry, lettuce.
Lettuce. I don't like the word cigar and what all green stuff you want to roll. So, yeah. Now, see, this is, isn't it amazing?
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
Spicy for me.
Spicy, juicy, just amazing, isn't it? We can eat of it. But anyway, we're going to enjoy it with rice.
Yes.
Hot, okay? What lettuce is this?
Iceberg.
Iceberg lettuce. The globes are forming. Even the outer leaves, I don't like to waste. We pluck them. We are finishing it off. Dear friends, keep cooking. Enjoy best of the best food. And when you eat the best, you got to say, Vareva. Wow.